Are you looking for the best air purifiers? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best air purifiers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Coway Airmega AP1512HH Mighty Air Purifier. The Coway Airmega AP1521HH Mighty Air Purifier was the fastest at removing air pollutants like dust, pollen, pet dander, and volatile organic compounds, VOCs, among every unit we tested. An excellent choice for allergy sufferers, it's equipped with a multi-filtration system, a washable pre-filter, a true HEPA filter to capture airborne particles like viruses, bacteria, and pollen, and an activated carbon filter that reduces cooking, smoke, and pet odors. It also features an ionizer, however, we don't recommend using the ionization function, see why in the FAQ. Fortunately, you can manually turn it off. While this version is not Wi-Fi equipped and it doesn't have a remote control either, it's easy to set up and use. Even more important for the day-to-day, it runs quietly. I appreciated its eco-friendly design and eco-mode option. When this setting is selected, the air purifier's fan automatically stops to save energy after 30 minutes of no detected pollution, a feature that no doubt contributed to its ranking for lowest energy consumption among the units we tested. The Coway displays air quality in real time with a light that turns from red, unhealthy, to purple, moderate, to blue, good. It automatically adjusts the fan speed accordingly and can run on 1 dash, 4 dash, or 8-hour timers. I found its appearance unobtrusive, but some users may find the manufacturer's recommendation to place it on a slightly elevated surface, such as a table or stand, inconvenient. Overall, we think the Coway Airmega AP1521HH Mighty Air Purifier is the best choice for medium to large rooms, especially for pet owners and allergy sufferers. Annual filter replacements typically cost around $60 and include a true HEPA filter and 1 activated carbon filter. The HEPA filter should last a year, while the carbon filter lasts 6 months. There is also a filter life indicator. Number 2. Lasko LP300 HEPA Tower Air Purifier. The Lasko LP300 HEPA Tower Air Purifier is the most affordable air purifier we recommend, has the lowest filter replacement cost, and, at under £10, is easy to move from room to room. We found it performed just as well as models that cost 3 or 4 times as much. The Lasko air purifier quickly removed airborne dust and debris. With 30 minutes to spare in the testing period, our air quality monitor registered no particulate matter. Though its performance wasn't as impressive with VOCs, it did a good job keeping the levels in a safe range. Setup was straightforward and took about 5 minutes. The Lasko's lightweight makes it easy to move around, so you can take it with you from room to room, which you may need to do since its low CADR makes it better suited for small rooms. If you need more oomph, consider the LP450, which is only $16 more and covers twice as much space. The Lasko was one of the few units we tested that was louder than ambient sound levels, even when on low. At 45.6 dB on low, it was a little bit louder than a typical library. On high, it was only 51.6 dB. The biggest negative of this model is that it uses a lot of power. This is likely due to its lack of an auto mode that adjusts with the air quality, which is another negative. Number 3. Levoit 300S Air Purifier. The Levoit 300S Air Purifier is an excellent option for bedrooms and other small rooms like offices because it has 3 layers of filtration. The pre-filter captures larger debris, including hair and pet dander, the true HEPA filter collects smaller airborne particles, and the carbon filter helps reduce VOCs and odors in the air while operating at an ambient level of noise. The carbon filter's performance was evident in our testing as the Levoit 300S was among the best at removing VOCs. The purifier also did well with particulate matter, removing virtually all, 99.2%, of it from the air during the testing period. The setup was a snap. I had the unit up and running in under 5 minutes and connected to the VE-Sync app, available for iOS and Android, in another 5. The Levoit 300S is the most affordable Wi-Fi connected air purifier I've tested, and the smart functions work well. I could easily monitor and schedule it from anywhere, and the air quality readings were almost identical to the readings on our testing monitor. The Levoit 300S is ENERGY STAR certified and has an auto mode that adjusts the fan speed based on the air quality. It proved to be one of the lowest energy consumers we tested. Maintenance is minimal. Vacuum the pre-filter once or twice a month and replace the filter every 6 to 8 months when the indicator light turns on. Filters are affordable and widely available, costing about $55 a year. The noise level at high fan speed was average, a little louder than in a quiet office. But at low speed, it was no louder than ambient noise. Number 4. Shark NeverChange Air Purifier Max. While most filters need to be replaced quarterly, and we've seen some filters last up to a year before needing to be changed, Shark takes long-lasting filters to the next level. The Shark NeverChange Air Purifier Max can last up to 5 years before you need to replace the filter, and when you do, that filter costs $80, which is significant because some filters cost that much just to run annually. The size of the room, up to 1,400 square feet, and the amount of time you run the unit will ultimately determine how much life you get out of the filter, but according to Shark, the 5-year number is based on running the air purifier in a 300 square foot room at the highest speed for 12 hours a day. From a performance perspective, the Shark took less than 15 minutes to reduce the amount of particles from incense smoke in a 200 square foot room by 90%. It's also one of the quietest models, just behind the Blue Air, an unobtrusive 46 decibels when running on high, and ambient at other levels. All controls are handled directly on the unit. The Shark NeverChange Air Purifier Max is not Wi-Fi equipped, but the LCD screen can show the clean air percentage, the cleanliness level of the pre-filters, or real-time particle count. You can also adjust the fan speed or let it run on auto. It has one of the lowest energy uses, at about 0.08 kWh a day. Despite minimal upkeep costs, it's not completely maintenance-free. 2 pre-filters, which catch larger particles like pet hair, need to be wiped or vacuumed periodically. The display screen shows a filter life percentage and will alert you when the filters need cleaning. Finally, the Shark NeverChange is a larger model, and while you can move it around from room to room, it won't be the most comfortable to do so. Shark also offers a smaller version rated for rooms up to 650 square feet and a compact version for rooms up to 250 square feet, and it comes in fashion colors like lavender or light green.